Welcome back. This is Eddie from Redefine Vision channel. Shout out to all my friends, family, supporters. Today I'm going to do something different. I am going to unbox a vehicle backup camera system that I purchased for my truck. My truck does not come with a backup camera, so it gets very difficult when I'm gonna connect a trailer by myself. The in, the out of the truck. Am I too far? Am I too close? Am I all the way to the left, all the way to the right? I want to be centered, get it connected, move the trailer, the boat, and let's go. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, everything that brings in the box. Then I'm gonna go and get the camera installed. I'm not gonna show you the step-by-step of the installation, but I'll show you once the camera has been installed, how I installed the camera, the functionality, the resolution of the video, and if I like it or not. I purchased the camera on Amazon. It's very inexpensive. I read the reviews. The reviews are good. So let's go ahead and get this camera unpacked. So it's the LeeKooLuu, I think that's how it's pronounced, vehicle backup camera system. 6P lens, high resolution, ultra wide angle, night vision, and water resistant. The box, it's not that big, that small. And inside the box we have the product manual and installation instruction, HD rear front view camera and monitor kit, so it could be installed for the rear or the front. The manual has everything, the instructions, how to get installed. You can install it two ways. The first way, you could connect it straight to the cigarette lighter adapter, and it has an on and off switch, or you could connect it straight to the reverse light and then the ground. And the pack is supposed to bring the camera, the monitor, as well as the cigarette lighter adapter, the 4-pin wire and power wire, suction cup, and T-tabs. And then on the back, let's see, okay, it has backup line option, the brightness, contrast, and then everything else. So it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory, very good manual instructions, whatever you want to call it. All right, so let's see, it has protection, well protected. The monitor comes in this plastic bag, and it has cover on the screen to protect it. The power, I guess that's where it goes for the mount. More protection. And then inside the box, it looks like it has everything else, all the adapters, everything that I guess you're gonna need to get this installed. The camera comes in a little plastic bag. One of the reasons that I kind of like the camera is adjustable. Also, the camera, the bracket goes behind the license plate, so you're gonna remove the license plate, and I think you're gonna put the screws. License plate goes in front, and then it goes into the truck, into the mount. So I like that. And then it brings all the power or the cable that goes from the camera to the monitor, power. This is the cigarette lighter adapter with the on off switch, suction cup, and also the T-tab. So it looks like it brings everything that shows on the packet, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed. Hopefully the weather's gonna help. Yesterday rained all day. Today we're in Florida, so you guys know how it is. So stay tuned and follow me to the outside so I could show you once it's installed. See ya. Welcome back. So I got the camera installed. Not gonna be honest with you, it was not difficult. Time consuming, took me a little bit about an hour. And what took the longest was getting the wire ran underneath the truck, but then inside the cab. But besides that, it's not that difficult, very easy. So now we're gonna try it. and see how it works. Hopefully it works fine and I like it. I mean, it cost me less than $100 on Amazon, so I can't complain. Again, like I said, the reviews were great, so hopefully that's gonna help me a lot. So let me show you what I did. Oh, by the way, I did not I used the cigarette lighter adapter, and I'll tell you why. So got the power and the T-tabs, didn't use it. Everything else was used. So basically, the bracket goes behind the license plate, and it goes right in the front. Run the cable under the chassis, and I'm not gonna, guys. Honestly, I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna get under the truck anymore. It's hot, at least, and then run it under the chassis, inside the cabin, underneath, and mounted right here. The reason why I mounted here and not on the windshield, I think it's gonna be better there, for the simple reason that it's more straight when I look, and it's gonna be easier for me. It's gonna be easier. So, and then like I was saying, the cigarette adapter, cigarette lighter adapter, it's here. I don't need to turn the truck on because this one is just, it stays on. So I like the whole concept of the switch. So turn it on, it'll come on, and then the camera will come on. Let me see. I hope it looks pretty good. So basically that's how it looks. I adjust the camera so it will show the when I connect the trailer, it'll be easier that way. And it has the lines, and then on the back of there's 3 buttons where you could set up. You could either remove the line, leave the lights on, the lines on, backup lines, and then also you could the one in the middle, it's for more options. Wide, I think that's wide, and then the brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, and you could change the language on the parking lot if you want it on and off, and reset if you want to reset everything. So again, what took the longest was the running of the wire underneath the truck. I'm trying to get it into the cabin, and it's hot, so at least it's not raining. So finally I got the camera installed. I got it again. I got it on Amazon. Cost me less than $100. It got in on time. The shipping was, was good, was perfect. I mean, you guys, for those who order through Amazon. And then whenever I just want to turn it on, turn it off, I'm sorry, I just go and press the switch. Another reason why I decided to do it that way is because when I'm pulling the trailer, I could keep it on and keep an eye on the trailer while I'm driving for, I don't know, kind of like safety. I don't know. That's me. Everybody's different. A lot of people will connect it straight to the reverse line and to the reverse wire, and just comes on when you put your vehicle in reverse. For me, I just didn't want to go through all that. Remove the light. Like I said, it's just to back up and connect the trailer when I'm by myself. And again, once I install it, is to decided to do it that way with the cigarette lighter adapter, so I could just keep it on while I'm driving and keep an eye on it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Once in a while I throw in new videos, more things that I order. We have a goal, so help us out to reach that goal. Again, I hope you like the video, and thank you. Keep following the channel, and hope to see you later. Peace out. Bye.